What up guys, it's your homie Chichi, and today I'm back here again to teach you guys something different. And today, the other time, the other video, I showed you guys how to work on your frequency separation thing. So this time around, I'm coming to help you to know how to copy. Let's say you see a picture online and you like the way the person color graded the picture. So this time around, how are you going to copy that color grade onto your picture? So first, I worked on the frequency separation thing. So yeah, I've already showed you guys, so there is no need for me to. Yes. So hey, this will be the picture I'll be copying. Big shout out to the Ronnix Photography. Yeah, I really love this thing when I saw it for the first time. So that is where we are going to copy whatever we are coming to do today from. So hey Ronnix, big ups to you. Okay, so first we work on our we finished with the frequency separation thing. So yeah, that one is already done, so you can go and check up on it. So you come to this option and bring up your curves. That will be the first thing you will do. So bring up your curves, and now you make sure it's in between the picture that we are coming to work on and wherever the background, let me say that the background. So that is it. And the first step you have to take is you click on this side, this thumbnail, this side of the layer, adjustment layer. Then we have this 3 picker tool here, and I'm going to explain what it does. Okay, so the first one, that's the one that the mouse is on, is the one that works on the brighter part of the picture, and this one is the mid, that is the mid tone, and this one is the darker part of the picture. So first, when you click on this, double click for this color picker then to come, and you make sure your sample size is 5x5, then the sample is all layer, then you should take this one too. Okay, so this being the the brighter side of the picture, come to the side, because this is where we are copying the color from. So you come to the brighter side. So think this side is okay for me. So you select here, then you click on OK. This thing comes no. Then you go to on your image, you zoom into you go to the brighter side of your image. So I think I'll choose here. See, there's little changes. So let's go to the mid. Double click. I'm going to choose this side. That's my mid. Then I'll click on OK. Then I'll come to my image where I feel that is the mid part of my image. So I'll go this side. Click. Choose this side. Then I'll go to the darker part. Then I'm going to select this side. This side. Okay. No. Come to the darker part of my image. Click. You see, we are kind of closer. So for we to get exactly what is in this, we have to do some little adjustments. So let's bring up our selective colors. That is selective color, we are going to work on 8. Let's see the red. We reduce the red small. Okay, then let me work on the yellow too. Okay, so okay, like I think this okay. It's okay. And this one too. Okay. So I feel this is okay. Okay, let me let me work on the black and see. The black. Okay. Let's just maintain this and go to the yellow. See if we can do something here and see. So bring up something like this, then okay. So I feel this okay. Put this okay. Let me see. Check this out. There should be more, you know. Okay, so let me do. Okay, let's work on color balance. Let's work on color balance. I feel like, I don't know, but I feel like there should be okay. Okay, I'm getting what I want. Good. So let's take this off. No, we should delete it actually. Then let's improve them. Okay, so let's see the before, after, before and the after. So guys, that is it. Yeah, so that is how you can copy color graded picture onto your picture, so you also get what you want. Go by the name Director Chichi. Subscribe to this channel, make sure you hit the notification bell, you like this video and you share it too. We shall meet next time, yeah, the same place. So check.